Hey everyone, Yeller at Graymanprepping. This episode of Your Prep for Today, I'm going to focus in on a couple of plans specifically. I know just several days ago I talked about event plans, about getting busy and doing plans and checking them out, but I want to talk about two specific ones, specifically because of some of the chatter I'm hearing. The one is Get Home Plan, and I just did a live stream on it on Tactical Tuesday, the first week of December. The first Tuesday in December. And I want to talk about a bug out plan. Some of you got to start chuckling, oh, bug out plans. I remember everybody talking about bug out plans back in 2017, 18, 19, and when 2020 came around, nobody bugged out. Well, when I talk about bug out plans, I'm not talking about, oh, it's time for me to run to the hills and go out to and let's start living in the forest and stuff. No, I'm talking about, okay, something's happened here. It's no longer viable to stay at your current location, and you need to go to a relative's house or a friend's house farther away from whatever the event is that's making it untenable for you to stay at your place. So that's what I talk about, a bug out plan. You just need to vacate the area. It's like an evacuation plan. Go out and maybe for just longer than just like evacuating a building, maybe going out and leaving the area, heading out 30 miles away to a relative's or a friend's house 30 miles away so you can reassess the situation, see if you need to go a little bit farther. So that's what a bug out plan should be, set up in stages or rings if you want, on how far you have to bug out for whatever event is going on. What are the odds of it being the end of the world you got to bug out for? Very, very, very small. What are the odds is possibly a tornado or a wildfire or some other natural event that happens? A lot more. So bug out plans aren't for, oh, I'm going away and I'm not coming back again. No, it's like, all right, we need to get out of here till it's safe to come back. We need to go out to a safe distance from whatever this event is until it's handled and we can come back. The other thing is a get home bag. Like I said, I talked about that on the first Tuesday of December. And so if you want to, you can go back and just review that entire live stream. But a get home bag or get home plan is for you to get home. There's a lot of options that could cause you a problem where you can't just drive home. You can't take your normal mode of transportation home. You got to come up with something else. All right, so I just talked about it. Go watch that, but consider options. And there could be a lot of reasons why you can't get home the normal way you get home. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Learn a new skill like orienteering and map reading. All right. So I think I have a feeling, something just gnawing at me with all this information I'm getting, that something has a good possibility happening this winter to make things bad. So I think we all need to up our preps and get a little bit better situated for this winter.